Got that walk, walk, walk. Got that talk, talk, talk. Got that swagger, such a glamour. You're like a real life doll with your head that falls like Niagara. But that don't matter, 'cause that don't change the fact that your heart is black. You can't tell me down. Bring me to the ground. Try to block my sunshine, my blue skies with your claws. Who do you think you are?
Hi, hey. It's me.
Hello.
Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. So Ramadan is coming super quick in pretty much a couple of weeks. So I thought I would make this video showing you guys a couple of hacks that I like to do when I'm fasting. And warning, some of these hacks might be like a little bit weird, but they're specific to me and what I like to do. And I thought I would share them with you guys anyway, even if they're like a little different. I mean, they're not all completely weird, but like some of them, yeah, they are. And maybe you guys do some of these things yourself while you're fasting, but yes, let's just get into this weird Ramadan hack. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, so this first one is for those who usually skip suhoor. Essentially what I like to do is to make sure that I prepare some food the night before, and all I have to do is put it beside my bedside, so by the time I wake up for suhoor, I can just lean over and eat some food, instead of going all the way into the kitchen and preparing something when I'm super tired and I don't want to get out of bed. So one thing that I like to do to make sure that my water is still cold by the time that I wake up is to fill up my water bottle halfway, put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, and then the bottom half should be frozen, and then all you need to do is just fill the rest of it to the top, and by the time you wake up to eat, it should be pretty cold. Another really important thing to do when you're fasting is to stay away from food that is high in sodium, like cheese, fast food, pretty much my favorite kinds of foods. And you want to try your best to eat foods that are high in potassium because it's going to retain water and it'll make you feel full. So this next hack is for the ladies and it is a little bit weird. So this is me pretending to sleep and pretending to wake up. So after I eat my suhoor, instead of looking frantically for my abaya and my hijab, I like to create what I call a hijab burrito that I essentially use to pray. So I basically just like use my sheet that I was sleeping in. Of course I make wudu first, but it's essentially the easiest thing to cover myself with because it's right there. And I'm not gonna lie guys, I literally use this hack all the time. So I'm personally really into quotes. So the next hack is this app. It's called Torchbearers and it allows you to see a bunch of quotes by your favorite scholars. Warning, the app is not the most visually pleasing. I don't know why, but a lot of apps that are Islamic apps aren't very intuitive, I guess. But this one isn't that bad because you can just be at work or you can be at school and you can just grab your phone, open the app, and look at some important and spiritual reminders. The next thing is coconut oil. If you've brushed your teeth, used mouthwash, and your breath is still a little bit funky when you're fasting, which is totally normal, try using some coconut oil. Just take like a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it in your mouth, and then spit it out, and your breath is going to be fresher. So I saved the weirdest one for last, and I can't believe I'm going to tell you guys this, but of course I'm going to tell you because you guys are my subscribers, you guys are my homies. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of mukbang before. It's essentially you just watch videos and streams of people consuming food. I know it sounds super weird, but I don't know why, when I have a craving, I feel like watching people eat kind of makes me feel like I've actually eaten the food myself. I don't know, this one is definitely for the days that I'm super hungry. Maybe for some of you guys it would make it worse. Maybe for some of you guys it would make it better. I don't know, everyone's different, but yeah, I thought I would just share that one with you guys. So yeah, that's some of the weird things that I like to do during Ramadan. I know they're not all completely weird, but some of them definitely. Yeah, I think so. I don't know, maybe they're not. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you guys very soon.